Sociologists differ what should be the scope of sociology. On one hand, Auguste Comte makes us believe that sociology should try to study social phenomena on scientific approach, while on the other hand, Emile Durkheim has tried to separate sociology from other subjects. And he had also tried to give an independent status to the sociology subject. Whereas Max Weber has said that sociology should merely be interpretive understanding of social thought and nothing beyond that. So all of them have different views on the scope of sociology. So there are two main school of thought about the scope of sociology. First is the formal school of thought and another is the synthetic school of thought. In the formal or specialist school of thought, the thinkers believe that scope of sociology should not be generalized but confined to the study of some specific aspect of society. They try to keep this subject pure and independent. According to them, it should deal with social relationships, social activities, and process of socialization. For example, take Max Weber. He is the chief exponent of this school of thought. He has said that sociology should deal with interpretations of social behaviors only. In this school of thought, George Simmel has also expressed his views. He has given an abstract concept of sociology in which stress has been laid on social relations and interactions. For him, every society is the mix of these two. Social relations are nothing but social interactions between two individuals. He has said that society is not collection of individuals, but is essentially psychic interaction between individuals. It is sum total of social relations between individuals living in it. According to Simmel, sociology should not be made a general science devoted to the study of social relations in general. It should be confined to the study of specific social relations because now these are being studied in the context of social production and social heritage. Now move towards synthetic school of thought. This school of thought believes that sociology should study society as a whole and not confine itself to the study of only limited social problems. Auguste Comte believes that the scope of sociology should be considerably widened. According to him, the study of one aspect of society can lead to misleading results because all aspects of society, like parts of human body, are interlinked. Another thinker, Hobhouse and Sorokin, also contribute to this viewpoint. They also believe that sociology should study society as a whole. The supporters of this school of thought agree that in our modern times, no social science subject can remain isolated altogether, ignoring other subjects of study. The scope of sociology, thus, the argue should be general and not narrow. Durkheim has gone to extent by saying that sociology is a science of collective representation. Sorokin is the main exponent of this school of thought. He is not satisfied with the traditional viewpoints about the sociology and does want to give it a new approach. According to him, sociology is a systematic science and it has manifold interactions. It is concerned with general facts of social life. He is keen to give systematic interpretations of society. So these were the two schools of thought. One wants to keep the subject very pure and the other want it to be generalized and should be linked with other subjects. Thanks for listening. If you learned something, please like, share and subscribe the channel.